guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to recover your password on eSound. So let's get started. So if you have forgotten your eSound password and if you want to recover it, so to do that what you can do is just simply open up your eSound application, and after opening up your eSound application, now what you have to do is just simply tap on already have an account and then tap on sign in with eSound. And after doing that, just simply enter the email address and password. But if you have forgotten your password, then just simply tap on forgot password. After tapping on forgot password, now in order to recover your account, what you have to do is just simply enter the email address of the following account. After entering the email address, just simply tap on continue. And now you'll receive an email in the following email address that you have entered. So now from that email, what you can do is just simply recover your password. So what you can do is just simply open up your Gmail application, and after opening up your Gmail application, just simply head over to the mail that you'll receive from eSound. So first you just have to change your profile to the following mail that you have entered, and now you should receive a mail from eSound to change your password. So if you can't find that over here, then what you have to do is just simply tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left, then tap on spam. So you should find the following email inside your spam. What you have to do is just simply check that, and you can see guys, I have received a mail from eSound. So now what I can do is just simply tap on reset password, and after tapping on reset password, now I can simply change my eSound's password. So just simply enter the password that you want to change to and then re-enter it, and then tap on change password, and after doing that your password will be changed. So after entering the password, just simply tap on change password, and after tapping on change password, your password has been changed. So now what you can do is just simply go ahead and open up your eSound, and from here you just have to enter the new password that you have created and then enter your email address and then tap on login. So after entering the new email address and password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login you should be able to log into your account and then change your password. So that's it guys, this is how to change password on eSound. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below.